Hi everyone, my name is Tracy and I am doing my first ever video. So hopefully it goes well. If not, I won't be doing another one. But I wanted to do this video because this is a good time during the quarantine and to share something I was having a problem with and maybe many other people were having the same issue. And that is groceries. I go to the grocery store every day. I'm not a bulk shopper at any means. I eat a lot of fresh food, so it tends to spoil if I buy too much. So the past few weeks have been kind of a challenging, and I was throwing away a lot of money and a lot of food. So basically, Saturday, what I did is I said, you know what? I'm going to pull up a lot of recipes that I can use the same items, use up the food, have things planned for every day, and that way it's just not so random. And this is what I came up with. So this is just part of my short menu. This is the menu that what I wrote out for things that I had to pull up a recipe for, and it's a coincidence that they all start with an S, but sticky pork ribs, spicy grilled steak, shrimp. I don't know what I'm gonna do with what, but other recipe for side items, this cucumber salad. A mint mayo probably will go with the shrimp if I do a shrimp salad. A Herby Napa cabbage with lime. Definitely going to do a big thing of for lunch a couple of times during the week of avocado tuna salad. So as I pulled up the recipes, I made a list of all the ingredients that I did not have, which was actually quite a bit. And I went to Publix, this is my list that I got at Publix. And then I went to Fresh Market. And Fresh Market is a place that I like to go for a lot of the fresh meat and fresh vegetables. So that's usually where I go. So I had all of it delivered today. And this is what I ended up with. So I have eggs, lettuce, romaine hearts, green onions, English cucumbers, pasta, red onions, garlic, lemons, limes, which I use all day, every day. Have bunches of them because I drink a lot of lemon water. I have cilantro here, jalapenos, shallots, mushrooms, pomegranate juice. I normally don't buy this, but it's an ingredient for the sticky ribs, so we'll see how that happens. Red wine vinegar, rice vinegar. I don't know why I put 2 on there. Cilantro, coriander, black pepper, cans of tuna, which are always healthy and good to have. Mushrooms, walnuts, my favorite Dijon mustard, brown sugar. That will be for the ribs also. Sugar is not another thing I don't use, so I didn't have that. Unfortunately, some of these Thai recipes and Korean recipes, they want sugar, and I don't know if I can delete it or not. But anyway, white pepper, not in any of the recipes I have, but it does, sometimes white pepper is to have, because sometimes black pepper is a little stronger. Tomato paste, Maldon, my favorite sea salt. I love the salt. It really gives good flavor. It's pretty much it is the only salt I use. Rosemary, chives, mint to make mint lemon water. I've also been making lavender water this week. Don't ask me why, but I have time on my hands, so why not? Hot mango, this will make for the sticky ribs. Celery, can't remember what recipe that's for because I don't really eat celery, but maybe I'll start. Shrimp, I got a pound of shrimp, porterhouse steaks, and pork baby back ribs. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of groceries. And some of these items like this, I won't have to buy again for a while, the staples. So if I had to go and just repurchase the fresh veg, I think I could do it for under $100. at both places. Probably the meat I tend to pay a little bit more for because, oh, don't mind that mess. That's like the stockpile table. But anyway, this is that's for in case we can't get fresh foods anymore. This is where we still can get fresh foods. So anyway, I hope, you know, it kind of helps to some people organize their meals a little better so that we don't end up throwing away so much food, because right now is probably the worst time to throw away food, especially those of us who like to eat a lot of fresh foods. So I hope this is helpful. I will I'll see if I can link. I'm new to this, so I don't know if I can link the recipes for these items, but I will see what I can do. In the meantime, hope you enjoyed the video, and get through this quarantine the best way we can, and just get through with doing a lot of quarantine cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.